Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Shanab Rahmat. I am a student from Universitas Mulia, Mulia University, majoring Informatik, class IFB 4A. And my study ID number is 2411056. Today, I will explain about English tenses. Tenses are important in English because they show when an action happens, whether in the present, past, or future. In this presentation, I will explain 60 types of tenses, including their function, formula, and example of positive, negative, and interrogative sentence. Before we discuss the tenses, we need to understand the basic types of sentence. First is positive tenses, which are used to express facts or action that happen. And the structure is subject, verb, plus object. Second is negative sentence, which are used to deny an action. They usually use the word not with an auxiliary verb. The structure is subject, auxiliary verb, plus not, plus main verb. Third is interrogative sentence, which are used to ask question. They usually change the position of the subject and the auxiliary verb. The structure is auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. These three forms are very important because very tenses use them. First, simple present tense is used to describe daily activities, habits, and general truth. The formula is subject plus verb 1, and for the third person singular, we add s or es. For example, positive, she play a football every day. This show a routine activity. Negative, she does not play football every day. This show the action does not happen. Interrogative, does she play football every day? This is used to ask about habits. Next is present continuous tense. Is used to describe action that are happening right now or at the moment of speaking. The formula is subject plus am or is or are, and the moment of are plus verb ing. For example, she is playing football now. This is show the action is happening at this moment. Negative, she is not playing football now. This means the action is not happening. Interrogative, is he playing football now? This is used to confirm the ongoing action. Next, present perfect tense is used for action that have already been completed but are still related to the present. The formula is subject plus has or have plus verb 3. For example, she has finished her homework. This means the action is completed. Negative, she has not finished her homework. This means the action is not completed yet. Interrogative, has she finished her homework? This is used to ask about completion. Next is present perfect continuous. This tense is used for action that started in the past and are still continuing until now. The formula is subject plus has or have been plus verb ing. For example, positive, she has been studying for 2 hours. This shows the duration of activity. Negative, she has not been studying for 2 hours. The show the duration is not true. Interrogative, has been studying for 2 hours. This asks about how long the action has been happening. Next is simple past tense. Is used to action that happened and finished in the past. The formula is subject plus verb to. For example, she played positive. She played football yesterday. This show a finished action in the past. Negative. She did not play football yesterday. This show the action did not happen. Interrogative. Did she play football yesterday? This asks about past action. Next is past continuous tenses. Describe action that tenses. Action that were in progress at certain time in the past. The formula is subject plus was or were plus verb ing. For example, she was playing football. This show the action was going. Negative, she was not playing football. This show the action was not happening. Interrogative, was she playing football? This asks about activity in the progress. Next is past perfect tense. Is used for action that were completed before another action in the past. The formula is subject plus had plus verb 3. For example, positive. She had finished her work before he came. The show sequence of event. Negative. She had not finished her work before he came. The show the action was not completed. Interrogative. Had she finished her work before he came? This asks about the order of past event. Next is past perfect continuous. This tenses show an action that was going before another action in the past. The formula is subject plus had been plus verb ing. For example, she had been studying for 4 hours. This show the duration before another action. Negative, she had not been studying for hours. The show the duration did not happen. Interrogative, had she been studying for hours? This asks about duration in the past. Next is simple future tense. Simple future tense is used for action that will happen in the future. The formula is subject plus will plus verb 1. For example, she will play football tomorrow. This shows the future plan. Negative, she will not play football tomorrow. This shows the action will not happen. Interrogative, will she play football tomorrow? This asks about the future action. Next is future continuous tense. Next is future continuous. This tense describes action that will be going at certain time in the future. The formula is subject plus will be first verb ing. For example, she will be playing football. This show future activity in progress. She will not be playing football. This show the action will not be happening. Interrogative, will she be playing football? This asks about the future ongoing action. Next is future perfect tense. Shows an action that will be completed before a certain time in the future. The formula is subject plus will have plus verb 3. For example, she will have finished her work. This shows completion in the future. Negative, she will not have finished her work. This shows incomplete future action. Interrogative, will she have finished her work? This asks about completions in the future. Next is future perfect continuous. This tense shows an action that will continue up to a in the future, certain time in the future. The formula is subject plus will have been plus verb in. For example, positive, she will have been studying for 2 hours. This shows duration in the future. Negative, she will not be studying for 2 hours. This shows the duration will not happen. Interrogative, will she have been studying for 2 hours? This asks about future duration. Next is simple past future. Tense is used to express future action from a past point of view. The formula is subject plus verb plus verb 1. For example, positive, she would play football. This shows future action seen from the past. Negative, she would not play football. This means the action will not happen. Interrogative, would she play football? This is used to ask about future plans in the past. Next is past future continuous tense. Is used to describe an action that will be progress in the future from the past perspective. The formula is subject plus verb be plus verb ing. For example, positive, she will be playing football. This shows an ongoing action in the future from the past. Negative, she will not be playing football. This shows the action will not be happening. Interrogative, will she be playing football? This asks about ongoing action in the future from the past. Next is past future perfect tenses. Is used to describe an action that will have been completed in the future from a past perspective. The formula is subject plus will have plus verb 3. For example, positive, she would have finished her work. This is show a completed action in the future from the past. She would not have finished her work. This show the action will not be completed. Interrogative, would she have finished her work? This asks about completion in the future from the past. And the last is past future perfect continuous. Tense is used to describe a continuous action that will have been happening in the future from a past point of view. The formula is subject plus would have been plus verb ing. For example, positive, she would have been studying. This shows continuous activity in the future from the past. She would not have been studying. This shows the action would not be happening. Interrogative, would she have been studying? This asks about a continuous action in the future from the past. And conclusion, tenses are very important because they help you express time clearly. By understanding all 60 tense and their forms, we can improve our English class significantly. Significantly. Thank you. for watching this video. Mohon maaf kalau ada kalimat yang salah atau salah artikan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.